Hello, everyone. In this assignment, I'm going to be discussing building AI foundations with matrices. In this assignment, I use Python to apply basic linear algebra concepts to a real data set. The goal was to understand how things like matrices and vectors are used in artificial intelligence. I use the adult data set, which contains information about people like age, education, and income. First, I loaded the dataset into Python using pandas. Then I added the column names so the data would be easier to read and understand. After that, I cleaned the data by removing extra spaces. Since matrix only and math only works with numbers, I selected only the numerical columns like age and hours worked per week. Then I converted the data into a matrix using the numpy. After that, I performed four operations: the matrix addition, the matrix subtraction, the matrix multiplication, and the dot product. And now all that can be seen all the way here, all the way down till we stop at the transpose and inverse part of the program, which what's going on here? All the way down here. And then in, in this next part, we're going to talk about the transpose and inverse. Next, I worked with transpose and inverse. The transpose switches rows and columns. This helps when doing calculations in machine learning. When I tried to find the inverse of a matrix, but it didn't work because the determinant was zero. This means the matrix cannot be inverted, which tells us that some of the data is related or dependent on each other. And in part three, right over here, I calculated the rank of the matrix. The rank tells us how many features are independent. My results showed that the rank was equal to the number of features, which means the data is not redundant and each feature gives useful information. And after entering that code, my output becomes this right here. Matrix A, B, and the addition matrix addition and the subtraction and the multiplication. And then the part four is the linear independence. In this last part, I checked the linear independence. I took a smaller part of the data and tested it. The results showed that the vectors were linearly independent, meaning some features can be created from others. This is important in AI because it helps identify unnecessary or repeated information. To conclude, this assignment helped me understand how linear algebra is used in AI matrix operations. Transpose, inverse, rank, and linear independence are all important for working with data and building machine learning models. And that concludes this video. Thank you.